So if you had Desmos or graphing calculator, you type the two in, find out where the graphs intersect, and get the solution right away. If this took out this part, we could still solve this using mathematics from grade 11. Do you remember when solving an equation with a square root, the idea was get the square root by itself and then square both sides. Because if you square both sides, squaring a square root would get rid of it. This side, when I square, I have to be careful because it really means -6 plus x times -6 plus x, so I've got to be careful. And so I multiply that out, I'm going to get 36 minus 12x plus x squared. And when I square both sides, this becomes a quadratic equation. How do you solve quadratic equations? You make one side equal to 0. So I would get x squared minus 15x and then plus 34. Really tempting that you think this should work out to factor, but it doesn't. Because it looks like 17 and 2 makes 34, and 17 minus 2 makes 15, so you think it's going to work, but everything you try will not work. This is one that, to solve it, you would have to use your quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a. And a, of course, is. And from the quadratic formula, you will actually get two answers because of the plus or minus. And one of the answers will not work. Another thing to remember is that when solving equations with square roots, where you squared both sides from grade 11, you had to check your original equation, and one of them will not work. We won't do the math right now. I can tell you, here's the answer. The only answer that works is 12.2 to the nearest 10. Mm-hmm.
Wrong word. Is it like a 2 or 1? Because you have
The A value would be 1,
yeah.
right? So I got negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4, a is 1, c is 34, divided by 2 times a, which is 1. Yeah, it's good. Okay, if you want more practice solving these, you can circle question number 9.